Howdy, my name is Megan Wallace, and I am going to do my sound check first. So to start off, A as in apron, E as in equal, I as in iris, O as in opener, U as in unicorn, R as in star, as in fern, or as in fork, as in book, U as in moon, as in saucer, Oi as in oil, ow as in out. I as in itch, as in echo, a as in apple, as in octopus, as in umbrella, v as in bat, z as in dog, f as in fish, g as in goat, h as in house, j as in jam, k as in kite, x as in box, qu as in queen, l as in leaf, as in mitten, n as in nest, p as in pig, r as in rabbit, s as in sock, t as in table, v as in valentine, w as in wagon, y as in yarn, z as in zipper, ch as in chair, sh as in ship, g as in king, th as in mother, th as in thimble, w as in whistle, and zh as in explosion. Now I'm going to move on to my workbook. Let me flip over to the first page. Sorry, the lighting's not great. Oops, sorry. Sorry, the lighting's not great on some of these pages. I think that was the end of our, yes, that was the end of our workbook. And I have the 4th edition, so that's why there's some blank pages throughout that. And now I will go through my binder notebook for the semester. So we'll start it off with session 1. Session 2. Session 3. Session 4. Session 5. Oh, this one's stuck together. Session 6. Session 7. Oh, it's stapled. What was the example for the lesson plan? Layout. Session 8. Session 9. Session 10. Session 11. This one's also stapled. Session 12. And then my divider started over. Session 13. Session 14. Oops, that almost fell, sorry. Session 15. And then I left this blank because this was session 16 when we were working with our groups on our group project. Session 17. Session 18. Oops. Session 19. The writing on the backs of these are just my additional notes that couldn't fit on the front of these pages. Session 20. Session 21. Session 22. Session 22. I think that had that a little out of order. I just had that one out of order, sorry. And then that was all of them. I had a great semester, thank you.